Alright guys, this is how to get ringtones. You do have to buy them. They're like $1.25 around there. And so you just want to download this app. It's called Marimba. There's different ringtones like Hotline Bling, Panda, Cut It, Closer, Pokemon Go. They're all remixes, so let me show you one right here. Hotline Bling. I don't really like that one because it sounds like a video game, but here's Panda. Yeah, it's that one. What about Cut It? Sounds pretty cool. Let's see. This Vine one. This is pretty dope. Yeah, I like that. What about Alarm, the ringtone remix? Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. That's really cool. Yeah, there's just a lot of them on here. Like Big Papa, sounds pretty cool. I like that one. Jumpman. Yeah, it's just like the ringtone sound. Oh, yeah, there's Harry Potter too. Forgot about that one. For you nerds. No, I'm just playing. I'm totally joking around. Yeah. Fetty Wap 679. That song used to come on all the time on the bus. I know the whole thing. Oh my gosh. Super Mario, the one I was talking about. Yeah, it's just the sound of the ringtone doing the beat of it. That's a remix. Closer. There's two phones. Alright. Running Man. Running Man sounds so popular. It used to be, but Satisfaction 3. Sounds kind of weird, but The Hills. Yeah. I'm gonna play a couple more. DJ Khaled for free. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to get them. So let's see. I got this one. Alarm Ringtone Remix. On the top right, pause that. On the top right, you gotta click Get, and then Show in App Store, and let it load. And then press the little download button. Whoa, that downloaded fast. Press Open. Let it load. Okay. So now you're gonna go back. Just Get. And it'll show up right there. It's $1.29 for that. I'm gonna go back to the ringtones, and I'm gonna go controller, click Get, and it's $1.29 right there. So I'm gonna go back. And same with all of them. Yourself. No, I don't want to listen to that. Let me click a random one. Oh, I already did that one. Alright, let's just do one dance. Click get, and it'll show up right there, $1.29. I think all of them are $1.29. So, yeah, you're just gonna have to click up an Apple Wallet if you have that. And, yeah. Alright, see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Peace.